Mr. Garate, how was your day?
Hey, my day in the beginning, and I think it's no only my day. The day of all the guys was very, very hard. A lot of case to try to enter in the breakaway, and we tried really a lot of times, but in the last moment when Fletcher and also me and also Oscar was there in the breakaway, Oscar fled tired, also Fletcher, and like this is very difficult.
The 7 men who came away, when did they get away?
I think in the K 60 or 70 maybe, I don't remember sure, but in this moment Oscar and me were there with these 5 guys, but I lost a little bit the wheels, and Oscar flat tired in this moment, and it's not possible.
Tomorrow it's a day for Mr. Garate?
Yeah, probably I want to try tomorrow, yeah, of course.
Thank you, good luck.
Thank you.